Hi guys, welcome to Rosie KA YouTube channel. Thank you for finding time to come and watch this particular video. We have not been uploading videos for some time now, but we are officially back. Happy New Year 2026. I hope you started the year well. So on today's video, I'm going to give a review or to show you how Beko top load washing machine works. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So guys, before everything else, you need to switch on the power. So let's switch on the power. So we have switched on the power, the socket I mean. So this one is the control panel. This one is the control panel. We have the power button. This one is the power button. Maybe you can switch it on, or let's just switch it off for now. So this is the control panel, or according to what clothes you want to wash. So we have said this is the power button. Then this auto tab screen, this up to here, this one is the wash mode, the program or the wash mode. We have auto. This depends on the this program depends on the type of clothes that you are washing. So there is blanket, normal, heavy, quick, auto, delicate, eco, like that. This one here is this button. So this you will control with this button. You will control with this button for the wash mode. Then we have the water level button, which is this. This one depends on how much the clothes you are washing, whether they are manual fill. This one is low, this one is high. We have the time delay option, which is this. This one will show you how many minutes or hours the clothes will finish washing. Then there is this washing stages. So mostly if you have selected heavy or blanket, the washing will start from here, from soaking. Now you'll be able to see at what stage your clothes are in. After you have selected everything, here this one is for the temperature. If you want cold or warm, if you want hot or warm, or even cold. If you just want cold, you will not press this. You will not press this. So once you have put your clothes in, you'll now press the start. This one is the start button. You'll now start the press button. So let me demonstrate quickly on how you can use this. I'll put a few clothes here that I want to wash, and then we'll select. Then you'll see how it does the job. So let's put our detergent. The amount of detergent depends on the amount of clothes that you have put in inside the washing machines, and also how dirty they are. So I'm not going to use the softener for this type of clothes. So So just close, then close this. So after we have put in the clothes in the washing machine, you press the power button like that. It's automatic, it's normal, but if you have put in the it automatically comes to indicates normal. But if you know the clothes inside are maybe dirty, more dirty, you can change to heavy. So our wash mode is normal. We are going to use 64 minutes. Water level is 6. If your clothes are many, you can change maybe to 8. The clothes are not very dirty, just the normal clothes that we wear every day. So we are going to start, the machine is going to start from washing. You see it's indicated here, washing, rinse and spin. We are not going to start from soaking. So after everything, and of course we are going to use cold water. We are not going to select warm. So after all this, you press the start button. You can hear the sound, it has already started. So it has already started. You can see it's indicating that it's wash time. After washing, it will rinse and then spin. It's that simple. And also it indicates the minutes that are left, or the time left to finish washing the clothes. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if this video has helped you or you love this kind of content, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, bye bye.